Hello everyone, this is my review of these solar-powered lanterns. The set includes one large 25-inch and one medium 16-inch lantern, both crafted from sturdy black metal with a classic farmhouse design. The flickering solar candles inside emit a warm, inviting glow that beautifully enhances the evening atmosphere. What impresses me most is their durability. They've withstood several rainstorms without any signs of rust or damage, thanks to their waterproof construction. The solar panels charge efficiently during the day, providing ample illumination throughout the night. These lanterns are not only functional, but also serve as elegant decorative pieces. They've garnered numerous compliments from neighbors and guests alike. Whether for everyday use or seasonal decor, this lantern set is a fantastic addition to any outdoor space. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.